Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the not making one yesterday, but I'm here today, and last, probably in the future, there'll be me probably making stuff, climbing some trees, going places like to the store, anywhere really. But today went well, and I'm gonna go check the chickens. Checked them already, actually. So maybe I'm not gonna go check them. But anyway, it's been pretty good day. And so did some fun things at school. Hung out, chilled, talked, played some games. I'm gonna go inside when Mom gets home, and I'm gonna probably play some video games. But besides that, life on the farm is pretty good. Yesterday, there was a guy that came over to look at the house and the acreage, because he's gonna buy it. He came from down from Texas. He's gonna bring his cattle and stuff, and so I'm gonna come over here, mess with this cat, and so hopefully you guys had a wonderful, successful day. You could have been doing anything, but anyways, yesterday, came home from school, telling you all about what happened yesterday. Wasn't very interesting though, because I just came home, went across the street, because the guy and the realtor came over. So I came over there, was over there until 5, and that's when I heard that they're gonna buy that place. Maybe. So we can get the other place that we want. Came home, sat in my bed, watched some YouTube, and had fun. But I think I'm gonna go now. Hopefully you guys had a good evening, good day, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow after a wonderful day, hopefully. So I will be here tomorrow, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on them post notifications so you can't miss another video. So catch you back here tomorrow. Bye.